Hi friends, welcome to Rajshri Fashions. Today we are going to see digital lehenga, and that two in one lehenga. So you can stitch lehenga or gown, anyone, just for rupees 3000. The MRP of this collections is 7500, but today we are offering just for 3000. Only limited stock in stock. So this comes with chiffon dupatta with blouse, and it will be a semi-stitched lehenga. So please come and have a look of these collections. Lehenga design number 1, digital print lehenga 2 in 1. So you can stitch as a gown or lehenga, and it will be a semi stitch, and blouse will be a fabric of 1 meter with the top, front, back and sleeves. So this will be a digital print with stone work. So this you can give for the sleeves, and this will be the front, back, and dupatta will be in chiffon with stone work with 4-side border. So this will be the dupatta, 2.5 meter, and lehenga will be in full kali style, and it can be stitched from size 34 to 42, any size. So this will be a semi stitched lehenga just for 3000 rupees. The MRP of lehenga is 7500, but today we offer for just 3000, and this will be the sleeves. So images will be attached in the video. There you can see the image of this lehenga. So next lehenga in multicolor with floral print with stone work, and the lehenga flare will be a full flare, and it can be stitched from size 34 to 42, any size. And the blouse of this lehenga given like this. So this will be the sleeves, front and back, and dupatta in grey color, ash color. It will be a 4-side border, in between stone work, and lightweight lehenga just for 3000 rupees. So you can stitch as a gown or lehenga, anyone. So it's a 2-in-1 collection. Next lehenga, semi stitch lehenga, and blouse will be in this pattern. It will be a semi stitch blouse. And dupatta will be in a pure chiffon fabric. Mostly will get net dupatta, but now we are giving chiffon dupatta because some customers don't want transparent, so they can go for the chiffon dupatta. So you can this print, and inside you can get this can for this lehenga, and it will be a full flare. Next lehenga in raw silk fabric with kali style, full digital print, and blouse will be in embroidery blouse in satin fabric. So this will be the front portion of the blouse, and dupatta in pure chiffon, lightweight dupatta. So you can stitch as a lehenga or gown, and the price of this one is just 3000 rupees. So if you like this, just take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below in the description. There you can find the WhatsApp number just for 3000 rupees. Next lehenga in raw silk fabric with floral print, digital print, just for 3000 rupees, and the blouse will be a full embroidery blouse. So this will be the blouse, and this will be the sleeves, both the side. And now this collection is more trendy. Now we offer just for 3000 rupees. Only single piece in stock. So those who order first, they can get this first lehenga immediately, and same day dispatching. Just you have to take the screenshot of this lehenga and WhatsApp the number given below just for 3000 rupees. Next lehenga, one new color combination with floral print, full designer lehenga, and the blouse will be a fabric, so you can attach as, you can make, if you want you can make as a gown or lehenga, just for 3000 rupees. And dupatta in red color combination, contrast color, in chiffon fabric, so you can make lehenga or gown, anyone, and the price of this one is just 3000. Take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below. Next lehenga, digital print, look like thread embroidery, so you can see the finishing of this one. It's look like embroidery, but it's a digital print. So you can make a gown or lehenga, and just take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below, and price is just 3000 rupees. And blouse will be in embroidery fabric, so this will be the blouse with the front work, back work and sleeves. And dupatta will be in a light blue color combinations with chiffon dupatta. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below, just for 3000 rupees. In digital print, you can see the finishing of this one, very exclusive one, and full designer lehenga. You can make a gown also, just attach the blouse on the front, it will be a gown, and it can be stitched from size 34 to 42, any size. And this will be the blouse, front and back with the sleeves, and dupatta will be in a light peach color combination. So this will be the dupatta. So to order, just take the screenshot of this one and WhatsApp the number given below. Just take the screenshot of this one, and same day dispatching. And payment you can make Google Pay, Phone Pay, bank transfer. Next lehenga, in raw silk fabric with digital print, with full stone work, and this lehenga can be stitched from size 34 to 40 size, and you can make a gown or lehenga, anyone. And this lehenga MRP is 7500, but today offer just for 3000 rupees. And the blouse will be a 1 meter fabric with the front work, back and sleeves. And dupatta will be in a pink color combination in a chiffon fabric. So just you have to take the screenshot and WhatsApp the number given below. Blue combinations with full digital print, and the blouse will be a 1 meter blouse with the front, back and sleeves, so you can make as a gown or lehenga. And dupatta will be in a peach color combination in chiffon fabric. Dupatta will be 2.5 meter with the stone work. So you have to take the screenshot of this one and WhatsApp the number given below, just for 3000 rupees. And the last lehenga in raw silk fabric with digital print, and it will be a semi stitch, and blouse with floral print in the front, back and sleeves, and dupatta in pink combination in chiffon fabric. Dupatta will be a 2.5 meter. So just you have to take the screenshot of this one and WhatsApp the number given below. Just take the screenshot. Only single piece in stock. Okay, thank you.